have you ever wondered why we say I'm going to the park, but also say I'm going swimming? Where did the word to go in the second sentence? Let's find out. First, look at the sentence. I'm going to the park. Here, the park is a place, it's your destination. The word to is a preposition. It tells us where you are going. Now look at this. I'm going swimming. This time, swimming isn't a place, it's an activity. You are not going to swimming. You are going somewhere to do the activity of swimming. Over time, English naturally drops the words to do in this structure. So instead of saying, I'm going to do swimming, we simply say, I'm going swimming. The same pattern works with many other activities. I'm going shopping, I'm going jogging, I'm going fishing, I'm going hiking, I'm going sightseeing. Notice that none of these need to before the activity. But when you are talking about a destination, you use to. I'm going to the park. I'm going to school. I'm going to the office. I'm going to the market. So here is the simple rule. If you are going to a place, use to. If you are talking about the activity you are going to do, don't use to before the activity. Now let me give you a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? I'm going to shopping. I'm going shopping. The correct answer is B. I'm going shopping. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more confusing English points explained simply, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.